question is, can you get a good drone for $20? Nope. Can you get a drone for $20? The answer to that is yes. And what kind of drone will you get? Let's find out. So this is the Evo E88. It's $20. You get a carrying case, 2 batteries. Sounds like a heck of a deal. It even has, look at that, brushless motors. All right, so let's take a look at everything you get here with this Evo E88. You get the drone. This nice little foam here. Get an extra battery. You do have one in the drone, so that's 2 batteries. This remote controller. Then, of course, some instructions. Some extra props, prop guards. Super endurance foldable drone operating manual. That all mostly in Chinese. Get to know your drone. Yeah, basic stuff. You're gonna want to download that app and you're gonna use that to fly. These prop guards, I would only put them on if you're gonna fly indoors. Outside, they're just gonna catch the wind. And you do have 4 extra props there, which is really 2 extra props. So you get 1 set of clockwise and counterclockwise. Make sure you note that. They do not give you, they do give you a screwdriver, just kidding. So you do have a screwdriver to take it on and off, and a regular micro USB to charge. So flying this thing is a challenge, especially if you're in low mode. Make sure you put this thing in high speed. Then you got a chance. If it's in low speed, it just is super drifty and you're going to crash. Now this camera is pretty shaky. It's basically unusable. I wouldn't bother. Optical flow here on the bottom. Sometimes it works. I did have to play with the trim a little bit. Sometimes it was solid, and then once it moved, kind of needed to reestablish that optical flow. So overall, $20. It's hard to say this thing is bad for 20 bucks. It's a toy, all right? But don't expect this to be easy to fly. Don't expect this to be a good beginner drone. Unless you've flown drones before, or you want to give this to a kid, and you have wide open spaces, because this thing's gonna get destroyed if you're flying near trees. 20 bucks, 2 batteries, carrying case. It's not a terrible deal, but it's also not a fantastic drone.